The Court of Appeal in Abuja has set aside the judgment of the lower court and affirmed Ademola Adeleke as the duly elected governor of Osun State. A unanimous judgment led by Justice B. Duly affirmed Adeleke as the winner of the July 16, 2022 state election. It will be recalled that the Osun State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal had on January 27, 2023 sacked the governor-elect Ademola Adeleke of the People's Democratic Party from office for overvoting during the July 16, 2022 election. This was after Boyega Oyetola of the All Progressive Congress Party rejected the results of the election and headed to the tribunal. The lower court also ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission to withdraw the certificate of return from Adeleke and issue a fresh one to Oyetola as the governor of Osun State. In his ruling, the appeal court on Friday, the 24th of March 2023 held that the lower court was wrong to conclude overvoting on oral witnesses without considering information on the Beavers mission and voters register, which are centered in the 2023 election. The cross-appeal by Oyetola and the APC is meritless and is thereby dismissed, the judge said. The court also orders Boyega Oyetola of the All Progressive Congress to pay Ademola Adeleke and the People's Democratic Party a sum of 500,000 naira each as a fine. Addressing journalists after the court proceedings, lead counsel to the appellant and the Independent National Electoral Commission said,
"Judgment has been delivered in respect of all the appeals before this Court of Appeal this afternoon. They allowed all the appeals filed by the governor-elect Senator Ademola Adeleke. He won his appeal. The PDP as a political party won his appeal. INEC as an appellant before this Court of Appeal won the appeal. So the totality of the appeal presented before the Court of Appeal herein have succeeded, and the court has affirmed that Senator Ademola Adeleke remains the governor of Osun State. They have the right to appeal to the Supreme Court, but as at this afternoon that I'm talking to you, the press, gentlemen of the press, the position is that Governor Senator Ademola Adeleke remains the valid governor of Osun State.
All of you have seen what happened today. This is a case of Daniel that has come to judgment. Exactly. Of course, the judgment today manifests not only justice, but the scholastic content of the judgment is certainly going to be edifying, because certainly the legal profession is richer for the judgment delivered today. The innovative and revolutionary provisions of the Electoral Act have received judicial adjudication today by the judgment as delivered today. The innovations, or rather revolutionary innovations in the Electoral Act have received judicial determination today by the judgment delivered.
We are happy today that eventually we are able to get justice. We have always believed that the justice given by the lower court is best described as a judicial abortion. What this means is justice, judicial miscarriage. The judgment today is in conformity with the expectation of our people. It has really confirmed that our governor, His Excellency Governor Ademola Adeleke, actually and really won the July 16 election. At this junction, we expect the outgoing governor, former Governor Oyetola, to call the governor and congratulate him, and equally advise him to bury the hatchet and join hands with our governor to move the state forward. We don't expect him to go further than this, because at various contestations that we have had since July 16th, July 25th, February 25th, and of course February 18th, we defeated APC in Osun State.
There are so many issues involved in this appeal. Some of the issues we won, a bit more of the issues we lost. Overall, we lost the appeal. But it's so interesting that we believe that as soon as we collect the various judgments, which are all more or less the same, by Monday we would study the judgment and then make our decision. But it's most likely, because of the very interesting nature of the decisions made, that the matter will not end here.
It can only be good.